creamy lemon pasta with steak and lobster. So I added some butter to a pretty hot skillet, and I just added some lobster meat. It's claw and knuckle meat, and it just looks amazing. It's all I can do not to just reach in here and go for it. So the point here is not to cook the lobster because actually the lobster is already cooked. I just need to heat it up and sort of get it coated in that butter. And now I'm gonna add a little more butter to the pan. I had a mixture of butter and olive oil to put the lobster in. Okay, so I'm gonna crank up the heat and I'm gonna grab the beef, which is, because it's a special occasion, beef tenderloin, which—
Oh, wow!
Nice.
Stop.
That's just the kind of reaction I look for in a crew member of this cooking show. So I've got not too much because tenderloin is a very expensive cut of meat. And I'm gonna grab some lemon pepper seasoning since it's kind of a lemon vibe in the pasta. But I just wanna cook these chunks to medium rare. It's gonna take a couple minutes. The tenderloin's gonna rest, and by the time the pasta's ready, it is going to be absolutely perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna make the sauce right in the same skillet. I've got finely diced shallots and minced garlic, some red pepper flakes, woo!
Whoa.
Oops, minced oregano and thyme. Woo, it's popping. And then I'm gonna stir this around to release the magic. Okay, so I'm gonna move forward with this delicious pasta sauce. I'm gonna add quite a bit of wine. Woo, that is some brown butter sauce there. All right, so this has reduced just a little bit, and I'm adding some cream
Oh my gosh.
and quite a bit of lemon zest. Now I'm just gonna let this thicken up and reduce for probably just a minute because this pan is so hot. And after that, we'll pull this pasta together. Okay, and then whenever I make a pasta sauce, I always reserve a little bit of the pasta water and just pour it in just to give it a little bit of thinness so it doesn't get too gloopy. So for the pasta itself, I'm using angel hair, which I think is so good with any light creamy pasta because it just kind of coats the noodles. It's already cooked, standing by, and then I'm just going to toss it.
Whoa.
Baby. Check it
You've
out.
done it again.
Okay, and then normally I'd squeeze a lemon over, but I just went ahead and juiced a lemon. I'm just gonna kind of pour a little bit of juice, but it looks better when you squeeze a lemon. And then lots of parsley all over. So there's the turf. And then look at this glorious lobster, you guys.
It looks so good, Mom.
This has Alex and Mauricio written all over it.